Hey guys, welcome back. This is Nathan Cope from nathancope.com. In this section of our tutorial series here, we're going to look at how to install the heatsink and fan on the processor that we just installed. So in this first image we have up here is something called the heatsink compound, or it can also be called thermal grease. But basically what it is it's a material that goes in between the processor and the heatsink in order to dissipate heat and make sure that the heatsink is absorbing that heat away from the processor. So what you see right here is just an example, but you should actually get one of these with your processor. Whenever you purchase a processor, they generally give you a syringe of heatsink compounds to put on.